What's up, guys? Welcome to Spyder Auto. Right now I'll show you how to switch out these old OEM tail lights with new Spyder tail lights, and it'll fit from 2007 to 2013. So let's get started and pop the tailgate open. Okay, now with your Phillips screwdriver, you can remove these two screws. And you can grab it by the bottom firmly and just pop it off. And you have these three sockets. Go ahead and unplug all of them. So we're going to unplug the bulb for the brake light and signal light. We're going to keep the reverse light, and we are going to unplug the bottom parking light. And you're going to grab your Spyder tail light, and on the back it's going to come with this socket cover. And with this, you're gonna put it onto the bottom parking light. And then you're just gonna connect these two connectors to the new Spyder headlight. So go ahead and connect your brake light and signal light, and make sure the wires are lined up with the negative. And then go ahead and secure it in place. And then go ahead and put your reverse light in. And then these two metal prongs, you could remove these. And then you could insert these two prongs into the plastic socket right here, and then just pop them into place. Put your two Phillips screws back in. Okay, now we could do the same to the other side. Alright guys, now that we're done with the installation, let's close the tailgate and test out the functions.